5 plus 4 parenthesis 13 to the power of 2 divided by 13. 5 plus 4 will give us 9. Then we have 9 parenthesis 13 to the power of 2 divided by 13. Now, our parentheses, we have an exponent which is 13 to the power of 2. 13 to the power of 2 is 13 times 13. 13 times 13 will give us 169 divided by 13. Then bring down our 9 here. 169 divided by 13 will give us 13. Then we have 9 times 13. 9 times 13 will give us 117. 117 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, and in our parentheses, we have an exponent which is 13 to the power of 2. 13 to the power of 2 is 13 times 13, which is 169. 169 divided by 13. Put it down our parentheses, then bring down our 5 plus 4. 169 divided by 13 will give us 13. Then we have 5 plus 4 times 13. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign in here. 4 times 13 will give us 52. Then we have 5 plus 52. 5 plus 52 is 57. 57 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.